Welcome. This is a 5-part walk-in meditation. It's a really nice practice for learning how to be very mindful while walking, feeling the body move through space in the feet, planting on the ground, lifting, and then moving into your next step. So you're going to just make sure you don't need a lot of space. What I'm going to demonstrate now is walking towards you and then also give you a sideways angle and walking away. So this practice, so it's 5 words and 5 movements that are essential to make this work. Let's start with one foot in front of the other, just like if you were walking. Doesn't matter your right foot or left foot in front or back. Part 1, peel. So what I mean by that, it's like the back foot peels off like a Band-Aid. Heel comes off, ball of the foot comes off, toes come off. Part 2, lift. Part 3, you move that back foot forward. Part 4, you place it on the floor. Part 5, you sink into that foot. Okay? So once again, part 1, peel off the back foot. Part 2, lift the back foot. Part 3, you move that foot forward. 4, you place it softly. And then 5, you sink into that foot. So I'll do one more going forward. Peel, lift, move, place, sink. As I'll emphasize later on, that feeling of sinking into your step is essential, especially when walking down steps, walking down hills. People tend to have a tendency to bring their weight up because they're scared of falling. What you want to do is root down, as they say, sink your weight into the ground, as they say, like the root of a tree. Make it more solid, and that will keep you from falling when you're moving down steps and down hillsides. I'm going to demonstrate a couple times going sideways. Once again, I'll start with my left foot right now, behind my right. I'm going to peel, lift, move, place, sink that foot. And when you sink that foot, feel the ball of the foot and the toes on the floor. Peel, lift, move, place, sink. Just give you a little bit this angle. Peel, lift, move, place, sink. Make it kind of slow so you really feel every single part. Peel, lift, move, place, sink. And I'll do a couple facing away from you. Let's do 2. Let's start with the right foot forward, left foot behind, and I'll call them out. You do this with me. Peel, lift, move, place, sink. Peel, lift, move, place, and sink. As you notice, this is just mimicking your walking, but by doing it slower, we're spending more time on one leg. So really feeling into this dynamic sense of balance, because that's when most people are having issues with falling. It's the transition from one foot to the other foot. It's not standing still on 2 feet. And a lot of times it's not even just standing mostly on one leg. It's that transition of moving from one foot to the other. So really focusing on when that foot lifts and moves. Feel that balance into the one leg as you then place down and sink into the other foot. So I recommend trying that out, spending at least a few minutes every day. Bring in some time to do some mindful walking, and you'll notice that this will actually improve the way you walk normally in your everyday life. All right, thanks for joining.